Attention credit for business owners, do not miss out on this automation right now. I'm going to show you how to add a task to clients to remind you to follow up on deals. I'm also going to show you how to create your powerful net worth of a Rolodex, an online Rolodex, so you can add notes to specific clients and leads so that when you do call them back up, you remember what you talked about. Guys, this type of information here is used by the most powerful type of people to be able to keep information on people to then later close those deals and make those powerful relationships. Guys, continue watching. Check this out. So what you can do for clients is you can add a task on them to remind yourself to follow up with these people. In addition to that, on every contact, you can add notes so that you can just keep updated on those clients. You know, one of the most powerful things that the Rockefeller actually, I learned from him in regards to watching one of his documentaries and how he's so successful is that he kept a very, very thorough Rolodex about all the people that he talked to, all the influential, powerful people that he contacted, and had a lot of notes on each one. So you can do that exactly on there. You can either do it on your laptop or you can do it on your phone. But this is how you do it. So for notes, you click on here on the contact list. Boom, boom, boom. Typing notes. This guy rocks. Boom. Or what you could do is you go over to tasks so you can add a reminder to follow up with somebody. So what you can do is click on here, click on this, follow up on deal. Deal is great. Description, whatever. You can assign it to a specific person. For this example, assign it to Dom, and we can assign it to be able to notify us on the specific day. So Monday, 15th, 8 a.m., I wanted to notify us through a notification on the app and on the desktop over here at April 15th at 8 a.m. that we need to follow up on this deal, guys. So that's, trust me, that shit helps. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Talk to you guys later. Peace.